Hey guys, welcome back again. So today we are going to solve this question. Okay, so our question is 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 whole power 12 equal to. We have to find out the value of this entire term. Okay, let's start. So first of all, I'll write what is given. So 1 plus square root of 5 by 2, this is what given, and we have to find out the value of 12. Okay, let us assume first that x equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Okay, let us assume that x equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So now, and we have to find out the value of x power 12. Okay, this is what we have to find out. Okay, if I assume that x equal to 1 plus square root of 5 by 2, then we have to cross multiply. Then what happened? 2x equal to 1 plus square root of 5. Okay, so again I'm sending this constant value 1 to this side. Then it's what happened? 2x minus 1 equal to square root of 5. Okay, so as we have square root over here, so we are going to take square on both sides. Taking square on both sides, then what if we take square on both sides? Then what happened? 2x minus 1 whole square equal to square root of 5 whole square. Okay, so this is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the value of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So according to this formula, we are going to split this, means we are going to expand this. Okay, so in the place this is a and this is b, so a square means 2a whole 2x whole square minus 2 into a into b plus b square means 1 square equal to, here square and square root get cancelled, left is 5. Okay guys, so 2x square minus 2 into 2x into 1 plus 1 square equal to 5. So here 2x square means 4x square minus 2 to 4x plus 1 equal to 5. Now this 5 I am taking here in left hand side. Then what happened? 4x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore 4x square minus 4x, okay, here biggest number is 5 and it holds the sign minus, that's why minus I wrote here. 5 minus 1 is 4 equal to 0. Now I am taking 4 as common. Okay, so x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so now here what I'm taking here, just say I'm just keeping x square here itself. Okay, and sending x and 1 to that side, means left hand side. Then what happened? X plus 1. Okay, so this is x and this is x square, and we have to find out the value of x power 12. So we need to find out the value of x power 12, but we got the value of x square. So in this way we are going to see. Okay, now x power 12 is equal to, now we have to find out the value of x to the power 12. So this x to the power 12 can be written as, means x to the power 2 into 6. Can we write 12 as this? Yes. So x to the power 2 power 6 is 2 6 12. So this can be written as x square whole power 6. So this we know the formula, that is a power m, okay, a power mn equal to a power m whole power n, or else a power n whole power m. So we know this formula. According to this formula I have written here, okay. So, and x to square, what is x square value? X square value is x square value is x plus 1, x plus 1 to the power 6, okay. So we can split this formula by using Pascal's triangle, as is said in the last video. But in this video I just wanted to tell you that without Pascal triangle also we can solve this, okay. Let us see. So x power 12, what we got, x power 12 is equal to x plus 1 whole power 6, okay. This is what we got in the last step. So again this step can be written as x plus 1, these two can be written as 2 multiplied by 3, 3 to 6, okay. So here x plus 1 whole square to the power cube, okay, and this is in the form of a plus b whole square. We know the formula of a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay. So then here in the place of a I have x, in the place of b I have 1, means x square plus 2x plus 1 whole cube, okay guys. So square has came in the place of x square. I am going to write again what is x square. X square is x plus 1. So x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, here I am going to write this. Have you understood how this came? Okay, so then what happened? 2x plus x is 3x plus 3 1 1 2. So 3x plus 2 whole cube. Okay, so again just look at here, this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Let me write here, this is in the form of a plus b whole cube, and we know the formula a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, okay. So according to this formula we are going to write this, okay. Here in the place of a I have 3x, in the place of b I have 2. So x to the power 12 equal to, so this can be written as, I have written the same here, okay, don't get confused. So 3x plus 2 can be written as 3x whole cube plus 3 into a means 3x whole square into b means 2 plus 3 into 3x, okay, into 2 square plus 2 cube, okay. So 3 cube means 27 x cube plus, here already first we have to do the square over here. 3 square means 9, 9 threes, 9 threes 27, 27 twos or 54, 54 x square, okay, plus 3 twos, here first 2 twos 4, 4 nines 36, okay, 36 x plus 8, okay. So the next step will be, here we can write 27 x cube plus 54, here x square is there, okay. This x square can be written as x plus 1, okay, as we know that, plus 36x plus 8, okay. Here 27 x cube can be written as 27 x into x square, okay. Here 54x plus 54 plus 36x plus 8, okay. So again 27x of in the place of x square I am writing x plus 1 again, plus, okay, 54x plus 54 plus 36x plus 8. Okay, x power 12 is equal to here 27 x into x square plus 27 x into 1 27x plus 54x plus 54 plus 36x plus 8. Okay, so again in this place I am going to expand that. Okay, x plus 1 plus 27x plus 54x plus 54 plus 36x plus 8. I'm writing each and every step. Okay guys, so some of my viewers will won't get understand, that's why keeping them in my view I'm just splitting it each and every single step. Okay, so 27x plus 27 plus 27x plus 54x plus 54 plus 36x plus 8. Okay, so here these are the x values 1 2 3 and then 4. So 27 plus 27 plus 54 plus 36 means 6 10 17 14 24 means 24, then 4 4 6 and then 3 is 14. 144 x plus x constant values 27 plus 54 plus 8. 58 plus 8 is 80, 89 again. And we know we have to find out the value of this, but here x is the variable here. So in this x place I'm going to write what is, so in this place of x we are going to write this. We have assumed that x value is this one, so in the place of x we are going to write this part here. Okay, so 144 of, in the place of x I am taking 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 plus 89. So next what happened here, see here 2 ones, 2 sevens, 2 twos. Okay, so I'll get 72 plus, okay, 72 root 5, okay, then plus 89. Last we have to just add these two terms, then we'll get 161 plus 72 root 5. Okay, therefore x power 12 equal to 161 plus 72 root 5. So this is our answer. Okay, I hope guys you all understood this class well. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.